You will be amazed by this 2020 Lexus UX. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a look at the features this spirited UX has to offer, from its luxurious cabin and nimble handling to its premium safety and infotainment systems. This inspired compact crossover energizes your daily drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Refined luxury meets crossover convenience in this UX. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.